And bro, look at this CTSV, dog. Oh,
We all thought it was gonna be a 200.
dog.
I just couldn't flip with it. 2008, 2010 models.
This bitch look hard.
I think I'm perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. It's just perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm perfect.
What's going on, people on YouTube? It is your boy Obey Juice coming to y'all with another video. And man, I just want to say I am blessed to be able to wake up, man. It is a nice ass day up here in Michigan. It's actually starting to warm up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? That's why I ain't wearing anything as far as a hoodie or a jacket, because it feels like summertime's coming. You feel me? But I want to let y'all know that I did officially straight pipe my muffler from my Volkswagen Jetta. I got a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta, 1.8 liter turbo. And man, the only thing I can say is this junk sounds so funny. Just want to let y'all hear this cold start. It's pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? It has a nice little tone to it, if you know what I mean. Yeah, it's dope, man. Trust me. Alright guys, so here goes what the cold start sounds like. So yeah, man, as you see, that's how the cold start sounds and whatnot. It actually is pretty cool. If you do want to see me do drive-by videos or whatnot, you know what I'm saying, just leave a comment down below. I would for sure, you know what I'm saying, let y'all hear the drive-bys or what it sounds like when I'm flooring it. And yeah, I'm like, dude, it's so funny, dude. When I thought about doing this, I was like, I don't know. It seems cool. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos on it, but I'm like, if I actually want to try to do it, might as well just, you know, have the raspy sound that I wanted. And yeah, especially when I'm driving and I'm going I say about 4,500 RPMs, and then I shift. Most of the time I put my car in semi-automatic. But yeah, most of the time when I shift, when I'm around the 4,500 RPM range and I shift up, dude, I swear to God, it always be making this fucking popping sound, and it sounds so funny. And when I first heard it, I was like, dude, this is legit crazy. Like, I didn't think I was really going straight pipe the whole thing. And I can also hear the turbo spooling up a lot. It is beyond me, bro. Like, oh my goodness, dog, this junk is so funny. But yeah, with that being said, I do have to get this car clean. It's a really special day today. It's a YouTuber named MotorTube. I know y'all probably know about him, but if you don't, you know what I'm saying, I'll put his link in the description. And basically, he's having a car meet, and it's gonna be a few other YouTubers there as well. So I might as well just go, because I'll be able to do another vlog, and it'll be lit because there'll be a whole bunch of cars there. So yeah, with that being said, I'll catch y'all in a little bit. And you know what I'm saying, just stay tuned. It's about to be pretty lit today. I ain't gonna hold you up. So peace. Yeah, so I gotta get the car all cleaned up, bro. It's all dirty and shit. Like, look at this. Fucking, I got all this dirt from the damn muffler. This shit's a whole lot of smoke. But yeah, bro, this junk need to be clean. For real, need to be clean. I got bird shit all on the back of the windshield and the back of the trunk. I gotta get all this dirt off these tires, bro. It's a whole bunch of stuff I gotta do, man. But I'll get that with y'all in a little bit. As you guys see, I do have the car clean, like I said I was gonna do. Yeah, I had to really get rid of that black smoke that was right there from the exhaust, man. You know what I'm saying? that little thing right there, but I could have got a dual tip, but I just got a straight pipe for it being stock. Let me stop playing. But yeah, that's what the car looks like right now. Way better than what it was. It was dirty. Remember the bird shit I was talking about on the back window? It's not even there no more. But yeah, man, if you're new to my channel, dog, just please subscribe, like the video, and share it. Please share it, because it makes it easier for me to, like, you know what I'm saying, get out there. But yeah, I'll catch y'all in a little bit. I'm about to go to this car meet in a little, and you know what I'm saying, record some of the dope cars that's gonna be there. And yeah, see y'all in a little bit. Bruh.
Nice CBR.
Hell yeah. Oh wait, should I show them the rap? Yo, I'm thinking about like rapping this joint, to be honest. Purple.
Wish I had my Camaro, but
Man, it's all good.
I already know all the couple bottom feeder racers.
Dog. This jungle look dope. On some real shit. Imagine me wrapping this whole car with this. And then I was thinking about actually putting for the mirrors, had that junk black. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see about it. That shit look dope. See, that's what I'm saying, bro. Dog. Bro. Hell yeah.
That's what it looks like. Oh, somebody's got a nice SS right there. Two of them. It's not bad ball. Not 18, 19?
Bruh. Bro, shit is crazy, dog.
That one over there, he had an airbag.
Jesus Christ. I gotta hear this shit.
Looks like we're riding down.
Yeah, I should go up to him and say what's up to him before he take off. He's like, this shit rip. Yo, this shit crazy, bro. Damn, bro, look at this CTSV, dog. Oh,
We all thought it was gonna be a 200.
dog.
I just couldn't flex with it.
2008, 2010 models.
This bitch look hard. That bitch look hard, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey, going dumb. Going dumb. Hit it, man. Hit that bitch. Come on, bro. Hey. Oh man. It was slipping a little bit. Yeah, guys, we here. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you see my car right there. Man, this junk about to be funny, bro. I don't know. What you guys say about this shit, Matt?
I don't know, man.
You don't know?
Input. No input yet.
No input?
No, we'll see.
Bro. Bruh, that junk look cold. Got to change the color lights and shit on the headlights, bro. Woo.
They sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had the white, so I two-toned it. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning.